Hello, mathematicians. This is Miss Fabella, and I'm going to share with you a tree map that probably looks really familiar. It actually looks a lot like a tree map that we had in our classroom. And this tree map is titled Addition Strategies. There are two strategies here that we've already practiced this year, and then there are a couple of extra ones that I'm going to go over with you. The first strategy on our tree map is add in any order. That means if you can add 6 plus 7 and find the sum, you should be able to switch the add-ins for 7 plus 6 to find the sum. So this one is all about switching the add-ins. The second strategy is counting on. If one of your add-ins is a 1 or a 2 or a 3 or 4, you can count on. And you'd count on from the larger number. So if your problem is 3 plus 7, you would start with the 7 because that's your larger number, and you could count on like this: 7, 8, 9, 10. You can even draw counters out if you like. So you'd start with 7, and then your 3 counters represent that adding. 3 counters since you are adding 3 to a number. If you were adding 2 to a number, you'd only need 2 counters. Now, the third strategy on our addition strategy poster is doubles. I know you remember the double song. The double song is really helpful because it actually helps us memorize these facts. So that means 2 add-ins are the same. Now here I have an example with 3 add-ins, and I notice that there's a double. So you can add your 4 plus 4 and think, okay, 4 plus 4 is 8, so 8 plus 3 is, So see if you can solve that one, and listen to the double song as often as you want. Now the last strategy is adding 10 to a number. And here you're adding 10 to a 1 or a 2 or a 3, and you're looking for the pattern. So 10 plus 1 would be 11 because you have 1 10 and 1 1. 10 plus 2 would be 12 because you have 1 10 and 2 1s. 10 plus 3 would be 13. So I want you to go through and see if you can work on some of these problems and then look at the pattern to help you memorize 10 plus a number. I have a couple of cards here to help us with the Spanish translations. Dobles, sumar dobles is adding your doubles, and adding 10 to a number is añadir 10. So when you hear that in your videos, you can connect them to the strategies. Here they are. You know, I wonder if maybe you'd be interested in making your own math strategy poster at home. It doesn't have to be as big as mine, but I think it'd be useful for you. Anyways, mathematicians, carry on with your good work, and I will see you soon.